to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Now, if you happen to see my last video, I made an Indian flatbread called naan, and I will give you the link to that video so that you can see just how easy it is to make. Today, I will be making a delicious Middle Eastern side dish that is going to go with the naan bread, and it is called chicken shawarma. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm sorry if I'm not. I gave it my best shot. I was inspired to make this dish after seeing Chef Betty here on YouTube make her version, and so I just wanted to add my own little twist to it, but I will give you the link to her channel. She's got some delicious recipes on there, so you'll want to go check her out. In case you were wondering, what is chicken shawarma? Well, it is traditionally meat that is stacked in the shape of a cone and roasted vertically over an open fire. Then once it's cooked, the meat is shaved off and then served on a plate, in a sandwich, or in a wrap. Well, I don't have the capabilities to do that, so I'm going to be grilling mine on a nice hot cast iron grill pan that I have over here. And in this bowl is my chicken that I sliced thinly and added loads of spices. This chicken is so full of flavor and just fills your kitchen with a delightful aroma. But let me just show you how I prepared my chicken and everything that I used for the marinade. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new recipe. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a large bowl, and then I'm going to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the bowl, and I'm trying to just keep the seeds from falling down into the marinade. And then I'm going to take 3 garlic cloves. I'm putting them in my garlic press here, and I'm just going to press them into the marinade. Next, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of a garam masala, and then a half of a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and a half of a teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I'm just going to stir and mix it all together. And next I'm going to add my sliced chicken. And then I'm just going to stir it until it's all nicely coated in that marinade. Then I'm going to place some saran wrap over top and put it in the refrigerator. So you want to make sure that your chicken marinates for at least an hour, but you can do this the day before and let it marinate overnight if you want. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of nonstick spray over my grill pan. Then I'm going to start placing my chicken onto my grill. Okay, my chicken is completely cooked, and now I'm going to assemble a delicious wrap using my naan bread. I also made, oh my goodness, I made a delicious sauce that I'm going to spread on top of the bread. So let me show you real quickly just how to make it. I have 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then I'm going to add 1 garlic clove that I have placed into my garlic press, and I'm squeezing the juice of a half of a lemon, again trying to keep the seeds out. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of dried dill, and a pinch of pepper, and a pinch of salt. I'm just going to stir and mix. Okay, here it goes. So delicious and flavorful. And that homemade naan just takes it to a whole nother level. But thanks again, Betty, for the inspiration. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more recipes.